What is UPVC? Everything you need to know about UPVC windows. Dear friends, UPVC windows can be an excellent investment for your property. In today's market, there are many types of window materials that owners can use to increase the curb appeal of their homes, while also maintaining a reasonable price tag. One of the most popular choices is UPVC windows because of their low maintenance and durability. UPVC comes from its more technical term unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, and is considered one of the best low-maintenance alternatives to wood. Whether you're willing to replace old windows or install double glazing, you will probably be recommended to UPVC as it's the cheapest yet very durable material. What are the pros and cons of UPVC windows? One of the best things about UPVC windows is that they come in various styles and colors, so you can find the perfect fit for your home. There are many pros and cons to consider when deciding whether or not to install UPVC windows in your home. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. UPVC windows are also a great choice for homes with children or pets because they're easy to clean and won't shatter if they're accidentally hit. Moreover, they're easy to install, and as a property owner, you can do it yourself. If not, the installation costs will be lower than those of other windows, like wooden ones. As mentioned previously, numerous colors are available, and that is certainly something to consider. Another benefit of UPVC windows is that they're energy efficient. They can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, saving you money on your energy bills. Additionally, UPVC windows are made with thermal insulation, so they can help protect your home from the weather. On the other hand, traditional UPVC windows are made from harmful PVC. Even though they're recyclable, they have some negative environmental effects. Last but not least, they have relatively poor insulation, unlike wooden or aluminum windows. For instance, UPVC windows don't have excellent insulation properties to keep the heat inside your home in winter, and vice versa during summer. For this reason, energy consumption can be higher than that of other types of windows. As you can see, there are benefits and drawbacks to consider before deciding if they're right for your home. Ultimately, despite the drawbacks, UPVC windows are a great option for being durable and energy efficient. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.